I have my locator here set to peak. What that means is it's going to scream a loud noise and show me numbers on the screen that are going to climb up when I get over the wire. Right now, I'm not over the wire. And as you can see, I'm over the wire right here. My wire should be right about in this area here. We'll follow the wire. And look, no more signal. Now, I've already figured out why, and that's because after going through and finding the highest signal right here, we get to hear the irrigator friendly noise. That means there's a box under there. Let me clear out these bushes, find the box, and get that valve up and running so that this area can be watered.